video capture.
Good afternoon to all of you. This is Somshekhar, Assistant Professor of Mathematics, Sarami Government Science College, Bhadravati. Welcome to my 10th sessions of the unit Lagrange's linear partial differential equations, which comes under the chapter differential equations. In the previous session, we learned the nature of the Lagrange's linear differential equations and some problems on this type. In this session, we are going to learn the same as in the previous session. And the requirement is same as in the previous session. The working rule to this session is also same as in the previous session. Let me go through some other problems. Solve this equation. First of all, write down P, Q and R, and P is the coefficient of small p, which is x into y square minus z square. Capital Q is the coefficient of small q, and this will be y into z square minus x square. Capital R is RHS term, z into x square minus y square. The Lagrange's auxiliary equations are dx by capital P, which is x into y square minus z square, equal to dy by capital Q, and this will be y into z square minus x square, equal to dz by capital R, and this is z into x square minus y square. Now it is time to solve this simultaneous differential equation. ಇದನ್ನ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಬ್ರಾಕೆಟಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ಗಳು ಸೈಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಮಗೆ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ವಿ ನೋ ದಿಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಸೆಷನ್. ವೆನ್ ವಿ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ದಿ cyclic order terms, and the resultant will be 0. And therefore ನಾವಿಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸು ವೈ ಝಡ್ಡನ್ನು ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ 1/x ಇಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದೇ ಥರ ವೈ 1/y, ಝಡ್ಡು 1/z. ಸೊ ಚೂಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈಯರ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ 1/x, 1/y, 1/z, just to keep the terms in the cyclic order. By choosing 1/x, 1/y, 1/z as a set of multipliers, each ratio is equal to multipliers ಅನ್ನು ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಮತ್ತು ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ಗೆ ಸೈಮಲ್ಟೇನಿಯಸ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 1/x into dx plus 1/y into dy plus 1/z into dz divided by 1/x into x, y square minus z square, plus 1/y into this term plus 1/z into this term. Now this is equal to, since the terms in the denominator are in cyclic order, definitely the addition will be 0. By cross multiplying, we have 1/x into dx plus 1/y into dy plus 1/z into dz is equal to 0. The variables are get separated. On integration, 1/x the integration of log x plus 1/y into log y plus 1/z into log z. Log ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ and take the constant of integration as log c1. ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಲಾಗ್ನ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Log of xyz is equal to log c1, and log gets cancelled on the both sides. Ultimately we have xyz is equal to c1. Call this as the first relation. Once again, by observing the denominator terms, y square minus z square ಇದೆ, ಪವರ್ 2 ಇದೆ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ x ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ, ಬಟ್ x ಇದೆ. ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೇಡ್ x ಆಸ್ x ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬೈ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈಯಿಂಗ್ x. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಎಕ್ಸಿಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಕೂಡ ನಮಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸು ವೈ ಝಡ್ಡಿಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಟರ್ಮು ಸೈಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಟೇಕ್ ದಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈಯರ್ಸ್ ಆಸ್ x, y, z. Then each ratio is equal to multiply these multipliers to both numerator and denominator simultaneously. X into dx plus y into dy plus z into dz divided by x into x square y square minus z square, x square into y square minus z square plus y into y square into z square minus x square plus z square into x square minus y square. Since the terms in the denominator are in cyclic order, and definitely the resultant will be 0. Cross multiply. We have x into dx plus y into dy plus z into dz is equal to 0. The variables are separated already. Now on integration, x in the integration of x square by 2 plus y into y square by 2 plus z into z square by 2 is equal to ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ 2 ಇದೆ, ಫ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ನಾನು ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅವರ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಇನ್ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಫ್ರ್ಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಹೋಗಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದರೆ ಟೇಕ್ ದಿ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಸ್ c2 by 2. ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ 2 ಇರೋ ಹಾಗೆ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಷನ್ನ ತೊಗೊಬೇಕು. ಈಗ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ 2 ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ವಿ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ದ ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ x square plus y square plus z square is equal to c2. Call this as 2. The solution of the given equation is some function of pi of left hand side of the first relation left hand side of the first relation is xyz pi of xyz pi of xyz comma left hand side of the relation 2, which will be x square plus y square plus z square, and therefore this totally becomes the solution of the given linear Lagrange's linear partial differential equation. Move on to the second problem. Solve this equation. Write down p, q and r and write down the Lagrange's auxiliary equations, which are dx by capital P equal to dy by capital Q is equal to dz by capital R. By observing first two ratios, there is a cancelling element z, and therefore consider these two ratios dx by z into x plus y equal to dy by z into x minus y. Z gets cancelled. Now cross multiply x minus y into dx is equal to x plus y into dy. After isolating the terms x into dx minus y into dy, x into dy, bring these to left hand side, negative of x into dy, positive of y into dy, bring these to left hand side, it becomes negative of y into dy equal to 0. X into dx, take negative common from the middle two terms, x into dy plus y into dx minus y into dy is equal to 0. X into dx, and this is the differential of xy, and this is the combination of differential of xy. Differential of xy is first function into differential of second, x into dy, plus second function into differential of first, y into dx. And therefore, x into dy plus y into dx is exactly differential of xy. Minus y into dy is equal to 0. The variables are separated. After integration, we have this. X the integration x square by 2. Differentiation and integration cancel ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. The resultant is xy. Minus y the integration of y square by 2 is equal to, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ, ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ by taking the constant of integration as c1 by 2. Now, after taking the 2 LCM and the denominator, the 2 in the denominator of LHS and 2 in the denominator of RHS gets cancelled. The resultant this one, x square minus 2xy minus y square is equal to c1. Call this as first relation. Please note this point. ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮಿಗೆ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸು ವೈ ಮತ್ತು ಝಡ್ಡನ್ನು ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈಯರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಚೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವು ಈ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈಯರ್ಸನ್ನು ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೇಬೇಕು. there is no other way. Choose minus x, y, z are the second set of multipliers. Each ratio is equal to, after multiplying by these multipliers to both numerator and denominator, we have this. Now minus x into dx plus y into dy plus z into dx divided by the denominator gets vanishes 0. By cross multiplying, we have minus x into dx plus y into dy plus z into dz is equal to 0. the variables are separated already, and therefore after integration, x na integration x square by 2 minus x square by 2 plus y into y square by 2 z into z square by 2 is equal to, in every way 2 is there in the denominator, so take the constant of integration as c2 by 2, and 2 gets cancelled and we left with only numerator y square plus z square minus x square is equal to c2. Call this as second relation. The solution of the given equation is pi of the LHS of the first relation, and this is the LHS of the first relation, x square minus 2xy plus y minus y square, and this is the LHS of first relation, comma LHS of the second relation, y square plus z square minus x square is equal to 0, and this is the required solution. Please go through some exercise problems and follow the following references. Thank you for watching. See you all in the next session.